In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom fields in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. Custom fields let you tailor Pipedrive to your exact sales process, so you can capture the information that really matters, like contract numbers, lead sources, or onboarding status. I'll walk you through it step by step, and share a few quick tips so your new field is useful from day one. Start by heading to the top right of your Pipedrive dashboard and clicking your profile icon. This is where all your account and admin controls live. From the menu that opens, choose Company Settings. If you don't see this option, you may need admin permissions, so make sure you're signed in with the right access. Once you're in Company Settings, look to the left-hand panel and click Data Fields. This is the control center for every field that appears across your account. Before adding a new one, decide where the field should live. Select the entity you want to customize, lead or deal for opportunity-specific details, person for contact-level info, or organization for company-wide attributes. A quick rule of thumb helps here. Budget or expected close date belongs to a deal, job title or LinkedIn profile fits a person, and industry or account tier is best for an organization. Now, click the Add Custom Field button at the top left. A setup window opens so you can define the details. Give your field a clear, consistent name, like lead source detail or renewal risk. Then choose the field type that matches the data you'll store. Use text for free-form notes, number for amounts and counts, date for deadlines, and single or multiple option drop-downs when you want consistent values that are easy to filter and report on. If the field will power filters, dashboards, or automations, stick to structured types like numbers and drop-downs rather than open text. Add a helpful description so teammates know exactly how to use it, and, if available, set visibility so only the relevant teams see it. Keep the option list short and standardized, and if needed, reorder or rename options now so you don't have to clean data later. When you're happy with everything, confirm to create the field. That's it. Your new custom field will appear on the records for the entity you chose, ready to fill in and use. You can sort and filter lists by it, include it in your pipeline views, and pull it into reports to track trends over time. Thanks for watching, and enjoy making Pipedrive fit your workflow perfectly.